Alright, so a quick tutorial on the shops. Shops are over there, structure and machine shop. So let's say I want to fire up the shop, which is in this case the machine shop for turrets. So the way it works, select the NPC, build machine room, and then once you get into this interface, you go to materials tab. This is where all the materials are gathered. All of these are when people craft materials to make war stuff and then right click them, they get filthy and then they end up here. And what we can basically fire up the shop to make is whatever is in here. So if we don't have it, we can't make it. Or if we don't have the prerequisite level for them, we obviously can't make it either. So let's say I want to make special turrets. So I click this button, which is obviously in Chinese. Oh, wait. We need workers first. So to add workers, we go down here. This one up there is to put up a head for the shop. Basically that person that you would put here will not be doing anything, but it has, I mean, if you put somebody there, it has to have the skill, or it's basically useless, that makes production faster. So basically that person does nothing, but it boosts the productions of the workers you got out there, so they can make whatever you're making faster. Alright, so plus sign. Now I want to make special turrets, so I'm looking for my craftsman here. Send. Do I have another healthy one? Yes, this one. Send. Alright, now to make them, now I press this button, select the NPC that I want to craft the turret with, and produce. And I do that again for the other guy. Also to notice, this is the cost for making those. Those are not very costly, but once you get to bastions and forts and stuff like that, it gets rather costly, like especially blue and up. So especially in times when we're relatively low on resources because of upgrading buildings, we just need to check that out first to make sure we're not going to be using too much. So select that guy. And the fun thing is you don't need to go back to the shop to start up another craft after these are done. You can just queue up, I don't know if it's as many as you want. I never queue up more than 3 because after they've done 3, they're basically dead exhausted. So they become slower and slower at crafting the more exhausted they are, so it becomes kind of useless. So now they're queued up for 3 turrets each. So that's basically how it works, and the other shop works the exact same way. All the materials are over here, and same thing for a head. Like, I can get skill. There you go. While you serve as head structuralist, structure production times of all other residents are reduced by 7%. There's basically a version of that for the machine shop, and this one is 14% because the skill is higher level. But yeah, that's basically it.